So today we are doing a Xbox Series X HDMI port replacement. We begin this process by carefully removing the warranty sticker, revealing a green security screw. There's also a more discreet security screw hidden beneath the main sticker at the center of the console. Once we get the back panel off, we start disassembling by removing key components like the fan and disconnecting cables linked to the front panel. The main assembly is secured by a few screws on the console's bottom. We make sure to take those out as well. With the screws out of the way, we can focus on detaching the disk drive. After unplugging the remaining front panel ribbons and power cables, the assembly is finally free, giving us direct access to the board housing the HDMI port. To reach the board, we first remove the screws connecting the heatsink to the main assembly. As we continue, we carefully detach the power supply, which is connected through the assembly to the second board, using tweezers to unplug its cable and a ribbon cable connecting the other primary board. After cleaning up our workstation, we prepare to remove the damaged HDMI port. Xboxes use high melt solder, so we add a bit of low melt solder to make the removal process smoother. Applying flux paste with a Q-tip helps to distribute the heat evenly and lets the solder flow more easily. With the old HDMI port out, we prep the board for a new one. Using a clamp to hold the board steady, we apply heat from the bottom while carefully positioning the new HDMI port with tweezers. Next, we double check all of the pins to ensure there's enough solder for a solid connection, guaranteeing a stable display. Finally, we reassemble the console, double check our connections, and power it on to confirm everything is working perfectly. Great.